Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating a classic smoky eye that's bold, sultry, and perfect for any occasion. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, I'll guide you step by step to make this look super easy to achieve. First things first, we need a really good base. You can use an eye primer like the Louise base or grab any concealer you have on hand. Apply it all over your lid and blend out evenly. This helps the eyeshadow stick better and pop more. Starting with our eyeshadow palette, we're dipping into the black shade using an angled brush. Draw a small angled line extending from your lower lash line to the tail of your brow. This will give you a guide for the smoky eye shape. Now we're taking a smudging brush and softening that line. We're blending it out into the V shape. If you have a hooded eye, make sure to blend slightly above your crease so the shape is visible when your eyes are open. Let's build some depth. Mixing these two grey brown shades, we're going to sweep them lightly through the crease or just above if you have hooded eyes. This is going to help us transition that black shade into the rest of the eye seamlessly. Next, we're taking the two lighter brown grey shades and gently buffing out the top edges to create a smooth blend. Remember, the key to a perfect smoky eye is layering and blending each shade. Now we're going to go in and soften the black line with a deep charcoal shade, so it's like the blacky grey shade. This prevents any harsh lines and pulls the look together into that classic smoky eye effect. And don't be afraid to go back into those first two shades. Remember, we want to layer and blend out these colors so it blends seamlessly and gives you that perfect smoky eye look. Now we're going to brighten up the lid. We're going to grab a small amount of concealer or the eye primer that we used and place on the back of our hand. Using a flat brush, we're applying a tiny bit to clean up the inner part of the lid. We're really focusing that eye primer / concealer on the inner corner of the eyelid. For this, brighten this area up while leaving the rest of it smoky. If you feel you went too far with the concealer, just go back in with that smudging brush / blending brushes and just refix it up. But this way it helps create that smooth, seamless look. Pack on a white or light creamy grey eyeshadow to brighten the space. If you feel like you want to sharpen the outer corner, by all means go ahead. Just add a little bit of concealer to the back of your hand, dip in your brush and just follow along like I am, just cleaning up the bottom line of that smoky eye. This helps resharpen it. Move on to complexion. Starting with the Instant Glow primer, I'm applying it evenly across my face, then going in with the full coverage foundation. We're really focusing the product on the center of our face, then blending outward for a seamless finish. For concealer, we're going to tap the product into place before blending outward. This keeps the product concentrated where you need it most. Next, we're warming up our face with the cream bronzer, adding it to the cheekbones, forehead and jawline. For a blush, a light touch works best personally, but feel free to adjust on personal preference. Setting your under eyes is super important. If you don't have a pink loose powder, try this hack. Take a light pink shade from your eyeshadow palette and gently press it under the eyes for a brightening effect. Lock everything in place with a setting spray. This not only helps the product melt together, but it also keeps your makeup from moving throughout the day. Once your face is set, go in with a powder bronzer and a light touch of powder blush to bring the complexion back to life. If you want a soft, sun-kissed glow, mix a light and dark highlighter together. This step is optional, but it brings a beautiful touch. Using a small brush, apply black eyeshadow along the lower lash line and blend it out for a balanced look. Now you can either keep the eyes matte or add a touch of shimmer. Using a small packing brush to tap a bit of shimmer onto the inner lid and then blend it out with your finger for a soft glow. And now it's time to finish up. Apply mascara, fill in your eyebrows and complete the look with a lip tint and gloss. Lastly, lock everything in place with a final mist of setting spray. And that's the finished look. A classic, wearable smoky eye that's easy to recreate. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what kind of looks you'd like to see next, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.